Forensic accounting and asset investigation are related but distinct disciplines. Understanding what each provides and when you need which will help you deploy the right investigative resources for your matter. Here's a clear comparison of the two disciplines. Asset investigation, as practiced by people locator skip tracing, focuses on identifying and locating assets that exist: real estate, vehicles, business interests, financial accounts, and personal property. The investigative methodology uses public records, professional databases, UCC filings, business registration data, property records, and other document-based sources to build a comprehensive picture of what assets a person or entity owns or controls. Asset investigation answers the question, what does this person have? It produces an inventory of known and identified assets that attorneys and creditors can use to target enforcement efforts and structure litigation strategy. Forensic accounting, by contrast, focuses on analyzing financial records to trace the flow of money, identify irregularities, quantify damages, and reconstruct financial histories. Forensic accountants are typically CPAs with additional training and certification in investigative accounting techniques. They work from financial records, bank statements, tax returns, business ledgers, financial statements, rather than from public records and databases. Forensic accounting answers questions like, has money been stolen? How much was the business actually worth? What income has this person concealed? Can these financial transactions be explained by legitimate business activity? When do you need both? In complex matters, high-value divorce, business fraud, complex judgment enforcement, the answer is often both, in sequence. Asset investigation identifies what assets exist and where they are. Forensic accounting analyzes the financial records associated with those assets to determine their value, whether transfers were legitimate, and whether there is evidence of fraud or concealment. For many straightforward judgment collection matters, asset investigation alone is sufficient. For complex business disputes, divorce matters with business income issues, or fraud cases, forensic accounting adds the layer of financial analysis that asset investigation doesn't provide. People Locator skip tracing works in coordination with forensic accountants and CPA litigation support firms when the matter warrants integrated investigation. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to discuss your investigation needs and how our services fit into a comprehensive litigation support strategy.